Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how the mean, median, and mode has been calculated? Or we can find out how it is being done. So let's say we have this list, and if we want to calculate the mean, then we have to do just the average of the numbers, like we have to sum all these numbers and divide the count of the numbers. So that's what it is showing on the screen if it is visible now, right? We are summing up and then divided by 7, which is coming as 4, and the median is the middle value when the list is been sorted. So if you see, this is the middle value here. If the numbers are the count of the list is odd, then it is the medium, which is the middle number. And if it is a odd number of lists, then we add up the middle numbers and then do the average of it. That is our median. And the mode is the number which is coming frequently, or let's say in this list the 2 is appearing 2 times, so that will be our mode. Let me show you that same thing on the Python code as well. So we have to import the pandas, and you can use the pip install pandas for that. And we have created a data frame here with the score, and then we are calculating mean, median, and mode with these functions which are built in pandas. And then we are printing data frame, mean, median, and mode here. Let me quickly run and show the results here. So this is the DF, our data frame, and this is the mean, median, and mode. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you want to see more Python videos. Thank you.